Needs of animals. Animals have needs to live and grow healthy. These needs include food, water, air, and shelter. What do you think are the needs of these animals? Animals eat different kinds of food. Food helps them grow and become healthy. Let us now learn about the different kinds of food that animals eat. A bird eats worms. A frog catches insects. A chicken eats grains. A cat eats fish. A monkey eats a banana. A goat eats grass. Do animals get thirsty? Yes, they do. Like you, they need to drink water. Water is also a place where some animals live. Animals need air. They breathe air to live. Some animals go to places by way of air. Animals need a place where they can rest. They need a place where they can stay with their kind. This place is called shelter. Here are some shelters where animals stay and rest. A chicken stays in a coop. Bees stay in a beehive. Birds stay on trees. A dog stays in a kennel. A cow stays in a barn. A horse stays in a stable.